How to remove filter from a photo on Snapchat. What is up everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to remove any kind of filters from your Snapchat photos in your memories. So let's just get into it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Snapchat. Once your Snapchat is open, you're just going to have to access your memory. You can do that by first heading over to your camera icon and then see the little gallery icon right beside your camera. Just tap on it. Now here I've gotten a photo. So this picture right here is edited and it has a filter applied to it. And if you want to edit it, tap on the pencil icon that you see at the right side of your screen. Now once you've done that, you'll head over to the edit mode. And here you have different options. You can add stickers, create drawings, and if you want to remove the filter, you'll find little circles right at the bottom of your screen. These are the filters, so just tap on it, and these filters will show up on your screen. So right here, the filter I had used is no longer being used. So if you want to completely remove the filter, make sure that you set this to no filter. There was Wednesday written down, which was a filter, but I'm going to remove it by tapping like this. And then from here, you can just go ahead and go back. As you can see, the Wednesday is back again, but I'm going to remove it. And if you just go back, you will have an option to save changes. Tap on Save Changes. And now you've successfully edited the picture. There is no longer a filter to it. That's how you basically remove a filter from a photo on Snapchat. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.